Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gardening gloves that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Pine Tree Tools Bamboo. The Pine Tree Tools Bamboo Garden Gloves quickly rose to the top of your list for their superb fit. They have a comfortable second skin feel, making them dexterous and agile. They are also made from bamboo, which is an added benefit as they are latex-free and environmentally friendly. The protective rubber-like layer on the palm side of the glove provides excellent grip and water protection, and the back of the glove is breathable and absorbent. During both our dexterity test and our comfort test, these gloves excelled. For a pair of gloves intended to spend all day in the dirt, they were disappointed to see that they could be challenging to clean. However, they don't mind the slightly more complicated washing instructions if it means a more environmentally friendly pair of gloves. Moving on, at number 4, we have Cool Job Gloves. The Cool Job Gloves are a simple and effective pair of gloves to keep you comfortable and clean in the garden. The slim and elastic fit allows plenty of dexterity, and the latex finish on the palm side of the glove keeps your hands dry while working in wet soil. The fingertips of these gloves are also sensitive enough to use a touchscreen phone. However, they also have a greater propensity to stretch out over time, catch on thorns, or wear down. Out of the packaging, these gloves have a powerful and off-putting chemical smell, but it wore off over time. This pair turned out to be one of your favorites due to the comfortable fit and great dexterity they offer, as well as the great value they provide at their price point. At number 3, we have G&F 1852-3. The G&F 1852-3 glove is simple and is 100% cotton. These gloves come with PVC dots for grip and fun, colorful designs for style. This model is easy to throw on for quick garden work and comes in a set of 3, each with a different color and design. The G&F 1852-3 gloves were not as fitted or comfortable as some other gloves we tested. They didn't like that you can feel the seams inside the gloves while wearing them. They also found that because these gloves only have the PVC dots and no further latex or rubber protection, they aren't great for working with plants with thorns or spikes, and they would not recommend pulling out a large yard full of dead weeds with them either. The soft, breathable fabric is easily penetrated by anything sharp. At number 2, we have Amazing Stuff Grippy Gloves. The Amazing Stuff for You Grippy Gloves are comfortable, protective, and durable. These gloves fit and feel great. The elastic back and band make this glove feel like a sock for your hand. The protective latex layer is flexible and holds up well against dirt and thorns. This product also allows for dexterity and makes it easy to pick up small seeds. However, these were among the least breathable of the gloves they tested. If you tend to spend long days in the garden, these gloves might become uncomfortable after 30 minutes or so, especially in the summer heat. For short periods, though, their poor breathability is hardly noticeable. This is a workhorse glove for a quick pruning or replanting project. And finally, at number 1, Handylandy Pruning Gloves. Looking for a great leather glove for your gardening chores? Handylandy Pruning Gloves are by far the best leather gloves they tested. They offer the best fit, provide comfortable and agile finger mobility, and have a sleeve to protect your arms when pruning rose bushes. These gloves weren't without a few minor flaws, however. After leaving the Handylandy Pruning Gloves fully immersed in water and allowing them to dry, the protective sleeve became stiff. But after a couple of uses, they broke in again. It came to your attention that these gloves need to be taken care of if you want them to last. This is not a pair of gloves to leave in your garden bed every night, or they could easily become stiff and even break down. They are a glove designed for thorny tasks, and not so much digging in the dirt. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.